Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the story of John's R32 GTR. So John's a bit of a GTR collector. He's brought us previously a V-Spec 32 GTR in silver. He imports these cars, he brings them to us. We do a full tidy up, pretty much like a full detail. What is our reset detail? It's like a full pre-sale detail. And then he either puts it into a collection or he sells it or he drives it himself. So recently he's brought us this white 32 GTR. I believe it's V-Spec as well. First off, John pointed out that there was the top section of his lip on the bonnet was a bit faded and cracked, so we got Shaun in from K&S Touch Up Pros to sand that back and give it a nice coat of paint. Then we performed our decontamination wash. This is a strong APC strip wash where we clay bar the car, we do an iron flight remover, and make sure that the paint's nice and clean, ready for polishing. Once we bring it into the paint correction bay, we performed a single stage paint correction, which actually made this car look incredible. The white paint on it was quite oxidized, quite cloudy and dirty. It obviously hasn't really been polished for a few years. There were a few fiddly places we needed to hand polish underneath the wing in the front bar where we just couldn't get with any of our polishers. We raised the car up on the hoist so we could clean all under the skirts to make sure it looked mint from every angle. And on the interior we did a full shampoo, steam clean, all those little touches that just brought this GTR basically back to life. And now John can add it to his collection and take pride in this beautiful V-Spec that he owns. So why don't we show you guys some footage of just how beautiful this GTR came out. Thanks for watching the video. Listen, if you're interested in JDM, GTRs, detailing, ceramic coating videos, consider subscribing to the channel. This is what we love doing. We'd love to grow this YouTube channel. So thanks for the support, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.